Welcome to StephAndMannie. Today we are doing an unboxing on this thing.
You never guess what it is.
It's PS5.
No! We start this.
We got Welcome to StephAndMannie. Got my little co-host right here. We're gonna be doing an unboxing video today.
PS5.
PS5. Don't hold back on nothing. We ordered it from Walmart.com. We were one of the few that were actually able to get through the site. We tried at 12 o'clock, we tried at 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock we were lucky enough to get one.
And we're still trying.
And we're still trying to get another one. Or Xbox X. Anyways, it wasn't supposed to come until almost Thanksgiving, and it came early. Came from FedEx. Shout out for FedEx for dropping my package.
Literally.
Physically dropping my package on the front porch.
Yeah.
Got you on video. My ring got you, but it's alright. We'll let it slide. Hopefully it works. Alright, here's our package. We're going to go ahead and open it. You got that side?
Yep. If I do.
Watch your fingers.
No.
I'll do this one. Oh, good job.
Oh.
Oh, this is so awesome that the box is messed up.
Gosh.
Is it really?
Yes. It's stinged up.
Alright, what's up, buddy?
See?
Alright, so even though it was open, we're going to take it out the box. Here it is, right here. You guys can see, but kind of disappointing, but we'll go ahead and keep going. Alright, as you guys can see, here's where it was tampered at, but we'll open it up, see what happens. This is the box, we'll show you. There's the side of it. There's the front of it. You've seen the front everywhere. Supports up to 8K and 4K, of course. Alright, now we're going to pull it out of the box. Can I give you a hand, buddy? We'll throw that out of the way since people already mess with it. PlayStation logo on the box.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, open her up. Lay it down, buddy.
Don't lay down, it might fall.
No, it's okay. It won't fall, buddy.
It might fall out, I mean.
It won't.
Let's move this way.
Yep, that's perfect. Oh, hold on.
Did it come like...
Yep.
It already got a controller itself?
Yeah, it comes with a controller, buddy.
Then why did you buy one?
Because we needed more. Alright, power cord. Hold up, buddy. You're going too fast.
I'm not.
Power cord. Placed, I almost said Xbox.
Xbox, huh?
Placing controller. Alright, we'll move this over here, bud. Put that there, and we'll put that there. Then we'll get these out. Try to keep it organized. What's that in there?
This is the PlayStation.
The PlayStation?
With this won't let you pull it out really fast.
That's okay, I'll help you out. You want to hold the box?
Yeah.
Oh.
I might. There you go.
Alright, you can scoot that back some.
Now we're gonna open the place.
Here, move that this way then. This one. Get this one. Yep, move it that way. There you go. You can throw it. Alright.
It looks like a giant book.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Alright, go ahead. Let me see.
We're gonna have to flip it though.
There we go. You want to hold it, buddy? Turn it around. There you go. Awesome job. Alright, here we are with a PS5. Here's your backwards components. It has a USB, the landline, HDMI, and the power cord. And you got the USB and the Type-C cord right there. Eject and the power button right there. Alright. There's the bottom of it. Alright, let's bring us back to this box. Controller out of there. And here we go. This is your charging cable for your remote controls. Type-C on one side, USB on the other. And there's the booklet. And here's what we were looking for.
What is it?
This is your vertical stand, or when it lays down you gotta put it in the stand too.
PlayStation didn't have this, the PS4.
Nope, you just could stand it up. This one, the shape's a little weird, so there's the back of it. I think that's where you screw it in. There's a screw on it to hold it from coming out. Alright, when you do the vertical stand, you just rotate this. And there's a bolt right there. To hide it, just rotate it. Bam. Alright.
Here you go.
Thank you, buddy. And this is comes with the HDMI cable. And pretty sure that's...
Here's a book about to put all the crap in. Oh.
Here's your instruction books. Quick start guide and safety guide. And that pretty much sums it up. Alright. If you guys want to see the first power up, let us know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry that the box was open, but looks like everything's here. So we'll test it out. And that'll be everything. Did you have fun? Awesome.
Yep.
Alright, remember to like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down or whatever. Just be nice to everybody. Have a good one, and thanks for watching.